Jolie Finishing Wax. Jolie Finishing Wax not only protects your painted surfaces or raw woods, but it's also available in a variety of colors. It is helpful to have multiple Jolie wax brushes, one to use with your clear wax and one to use with your colored waxes. We'll start by learning how to use brown finishing wax. After painting with Jolie Paint, apply a coat of clear finishing wax with a Jolie Wax Brush. This will protect your piece and allow you to have more control when using the brown wax. Wipe away the excess with a clean cloth as you go. Now, apply a small amount of brown finishing wax using a different wax brush than what you used for the clear wax. This will help you keep your container of clear finishing wax clean for future projects. If you are working over a lighter color, we recommend applying brown wax in the recessed areas only. On darker or brighter colors, you may want to apply the colored wax all over. Remove the excess wax with a soft cloth. If your result is too dark, you can use a clean cloth and a small amount of clear wax to easily remove some of the brown wax. Follow the same steps when applying black finishing wax. Start with a coat of clear finishing wax and wipe away the excess. Then, apply a small amount of black wax with a wax brush, wiping away the excess as you go. Similar to brown wax, we recommend focusing on the recessed areas only if you are working over a lighter color. Remove the excess wax with a soft cloth. You can always remove more black wax by adding a small amount of clear wax to a cloth and wiping the surface. Now let's apply white finishing wax. Since the white wax does not have any dark pigments, you don't need to use clear finishing wax before applying it. Apply white finishing wax directly onto your piece and wipe away the excess with a clean cloth as you go. This wax will be most noticeable in any texture and crevices and will slightly soften the underlying color. You can also create a custom colored finishing wax by mixing clear finishing wax with Jolie Paint. You'll want to use about 2 parts wax to 1 part paint, but you can alter the ratio depending on how translucent you want the wax to be. Make sure to mix the paint and wax together really well. Apply a coat of clear wax to your surface first, and, as always, wipe away the excess. Then, apply your custom colored wax, wiping away the excess as you go. If you want to remove some of the coloration, add a small amount of clear finishing wax to a cloth and wipe over the surface. And note that with the addition of the paint, the wax is likely to dry faster. And that's it! You've learned 4 different wax treatments that can be used with any Jolie Paint finish. Our waxes also work great over raw wood. For more techniques, subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit our website www.joliehome.com. It's your life. Make it beautiful.